Lucky's Wheels and Deals. Today, I'm gonna introduce my new vehicle. Here it go, right behind me. Yep, I finally got me a truck. Do a cold start. Well, it ain't cold outside, but y'all know what I mean. That shit sound good. Kind of dirty, man. It's been raining at this about a couple of days now. I need to put darker tint, man, because you can look up in here. I don't want none of y'all to see me ride around with your bitch, man. You know, I'm fucking around. But y'all get it, man. Shit, I need more privacy. I need that 5% at least. I'm gonna have them probably take that shit off. I don't want to overdo it and put 5% over it and it'll make it too dark. But I think I'll have them take that shit off, remove it, and then put 5% on there. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing today. But it's real dirty. Like I said, it's been raining for the last 3 days at night. And this big motherfucker ain't fitting in that garage. Too damn long. It's right though, man. Open it up. So you got the center console like I wanted. They got the back sliding glass. All that shit. I like this. This is a real player. You just lift it up. Put anything down there. That's a real player. Door shut. And this is the midnight edition. Those are not the factory rims, but XD series. See, no chrome on the bumper. I like how that looks. It looks mean and aggressive. So they took off all the chrome on the midnight edition. I ordered me some tail lights already and the other back light that's on the roof. Let's get up in there. I like how this shit kind of high up and give you that feeling. Only thing I wish they had a button press start in this motherfucker. All my other cars have press start, but oh well. Not too long ago I had that Camaro SS and that's what I had to do. So yeah, but we got Apple CarPlay though. Like that. So yeah, it's fucking hot up in this motherfucker, man. Turn this down. Windows. Roll the windows down, man. I like how that back glass slides back. Oh yeah, let's get to this fucking. Oh, and it got the reverse camera. You gotta love that. You guys to do it. This big ass truck. Man, I wish they had Brembo fucking brakes on this truck. I don't know why Chevy didn't put Brembo brakes on these trucks. I'm so spoiled by them damn Brembo brakes on my other cars. They just stop at a dime. This motherfucker take like you trying to stop fucking fucking diesel truck. You know, this is my first truck I ever like owned. That was my personal. I've driven trucks before, but this is like the first truck I own that's actually mine, and not the car lots, and not one that I bought for sale to sell it. One to keep. This motherfucker is got the 5.3 in it. I was looking for the 6.2, but I was like, man, I already got enough 6.2s and try to find something probably better with gas, because it turns into that 4-cylinder mode. But it's alright. My Corvette still get the best gas mileage, I think, because it's lighter. I bet you the sound quality sound real windy right about now. I like riding with my windows down for some reason. With the AC blowing, that shit just feels like it's not too cold or too hot. It just got that breeze feel. Guess it got that California feel I'm looking for, that I'm loving, you know? I'm missing home when I'm out here in the OKC. I'm roll these windows up, man. Hell yeah, man. Yeah, you see how these look though, man? Like, you can see all up in this motherfucking car. Shit. I mean, all up in this truck. You can see all up in this motherfucking truck, man. Shit. Look at this shit. Oh yeah, man. Gotta hurry up and get there. I got other shit to do. I gotta drop this truck off, go get it tinted. And we got some more shit going on with the Camaro. So y'all stay tuned for that. It's about to go down, buddy. Okay, we just pulled up. All these damn windows up. Just in case there's some thieves walking on the street or something. They like to ramble in your shit. So let's get it. Oh, shit. Ah, stretch, man. That was a little, quick little ride, man. So yeah, let's see how dark they gonna be. You're gonna be able to see through them, through them right now. You can see the damn steering wheel. You can see the girl on the other side. Yeah, so you can see. Should be able to do all that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I want to get 5% on my truck.
Which is your truck?
Right here.
All around?
All around. No, all around.
All right, so
5%.
you know how on the back it's already dark than the two front? Like it's darker in the back than the two front windows. Do you have any tint on the two front?
Yeah, I got 10 all around it.
So
I wanted to remove and put 5% all around.
All right. So I think on the back there's no tint on it. It's just like factory. Like
it's all factory?
Smoke from the window.
Oh, yeah? Can you make it all even?
Yeah, but we're gonna have to remove the two front, and that's gonna be $20.
Okay.
And then what we do is we put 5 on the front, and then put 15 on top of that factory, so it can make it look like 5. But if you want to do 5% on top of the back, it'll look darker in the back.
So they come factory tinted?
From the back 2 doors and the back 3 little glasses.
Okay.
But the 2 front windows are clear.
So you can't remove
the back. No, just the 2 front windows.
Just so you remove 2 front ones.
Yes, sir.
So after a little confusion, so I didn't know that this back window had factory tint on it, and they put this tint on the front. So what I'm having them do is remove that tint, so they don't want to put tint over tint on top of tint. So I want to keep my warranty, so I'm gonna have them put 5% in the back on top of this, and then 5% in the front. So it's gonna be darker in the back, but this shit's gonna look tight, all blacked out, like this motherfucker out. So it's gonna look right. Hell yeah. Get over here. Melly Mel over here waiting for me and shit. Hey man, we got a truck for y'all. Got a truck for sale. Before. It's lowered. $4,000. Everything's for sale. Lucky's Wheels and Deals, baby.
Where's he at?
Where is it at? I'm pulling back up.
Right there. Oh.
Where is it? Where is it? Where is it?
Right there,
it's
right
right
there.
there.
Look
Oh,
at
okay.
Oh, snap.
Yeah, let's go see what this thing looking like, man.
He looks clean as fuck. Wait, I gotta get out.
Better get out, Melly.
I'm about to hop out.
Hop out.
I like it. It doesn't look bad at all.
Dang. I saw you talking about the back is fucking dark as fuck. Back is dark as fuck. Front. Yeah?
Yeah. I mean, it's not all the way blacked out, these windows,
Yeah.
but it's good enough. You can see it right now.
Okay. Yeah.
Until you're all the way up on it, and nobody got no damn business being all the way up on my truck like that. You that damn close.
They should black the fuck out though in the back.
Look, baby. You that damn close, your ass is gonna get shot.
Pop rocks.
Oh. Look, I was just checking if they secured your shit.
Yeah, that shit looks good. Blacked out.
Yeah.
You have to get close up on it, see inside. I like that.
You should have did the front windshield like everybody else does. Hell no.
Hell no. Yeah, we leaving Star Tint, man. When y'all up in Oklahoma, man, this is where I go, man. Star Tint. They hook you up. I ain't never had no problems. I don't. They did my Corvette, my SS, my Monte Carlo SS, my Camaro SS, shit, my Impala SS, Cobalt SS, Malibu SS. They did all my shit. My damn keys at, man. Yeah, they got me looking right. That look good. Yeah, it had some tint on there, but it wasn't dark enough. I don't want your man to see me with your bitch. I don't want y'all dudes to see me with y'all bitch, man. I know I'm fucking around, man. Yeah, this thing, yeah. Ooh, I need that sticker because I will forget. I will forget, man. Walk back up in this shit real quick. I'll be right back. Oh yeah, man. I will forget. I need to have this on there. This on there. Do not roll your window down, Lucky. Do not roll it down. Let me put it on the other side. Melly Mel will forget. What I'm really gonna do though, I'm gonna leave my truck parked. Leave my truck parked for a while. and pull out the vet. Yep, that's exactly what I need. And that big boy thing. Start that bitch up. Do not roll your windows down, no matter how hot it is up in this car. Oh yeah, now it feels right. I'm in my little cubby hole. Oh yeah, man, make sure y'all go get the merch, man. This Lucky's Wheels and Deals, man. I'm selling them $20 a pop. You know? This is one of them. Hell yeah, that's me. Just in case, I don't know. That's with the Camaro. Go watch the old videos with the Camaro. That was my baby. That's what started it all. Actually, it was the Monte Carlo SS, if you ask me. These guys over here, they just got their Silverado done. You know, they looking happy. I know I'm happy. I can't complain. Get up out of here, man. But yeah, man, make sure y'all check out all my videos, man. If you know, watch the ads, it'll help. You know. You know, make sure y'all share my videos. Let people know about me. Probably keep this going. Y'all motivate me. When y'all, you know, like, comment, and all that, man. I try to get back to all y'all comments. That negative shit, I will ignore it. I'm not gonna respond back. I don't give a fuck what you say. But whoa, shit. Motherfucking big ass dips and potholes in this motherfucker. I'm in my fucking Tonka truck. Tonka. Well, yeah, man. This video is over. Make sure you guys like, share, comment, subscribe. Lucky's Wheels and Deals, and I'm out. Peace.